Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be testing if you can change Play-Doh into slime. If you're new on my channel, it would be very nice of you if you could click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you so much. And now it's time for a shoutout. Today it goes to Otylka Abramczyk, Zuzia Rutecka, Natalia Pyka, Zuzia Ko, Kasia Lewandowska and Bartek Kowalik. If you want to get a shoutout in the next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell and write a comment with a notification squad hashtag. So now let's check if we can make slime with the Play-Doh. Here's my Play-Doh, and as you can see, it doesn't stretch much and it just breaks easily. If you want to change it into slime, all you have to do is add some body lotion. Let's mix it well, and let's see how this will change the Play-Doh. It is a little bit more elastic and stretchy. I will add some more of body lotion. And now it's much better. You can actually stretch it, but it's still not like a real slime. I think you can't really make a real slime from Play-Doh. Since I did that already to my Play-Doh, I will make it even nicer. I will add some glitter to it. It's a little bit like a butter slime. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you soon. Bye!